Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about networking concept in computer network and data communication. So let's discuss. So here the networking is not practical for point-to-point communication because the devices are connected too far across the world. So the large set of devices would need some impractical number of connections. So the only solution is a communication network. And the network is classified into three types. The one is LAN, then second one is WAN, and third one is MAN. So the LAN is nothing but local area network, and the WAN is nothing but wide area network, and MAN is called as a metropolitan area network. So the first one is wide area network, so which is cover a large geographical area, and it requires the crossing of public right ways because the relay at least in the part of circuit, so which is provide one or more common carrier companies. And the alternate technologies are used, the circuit switching, packet switching, frame relay, and asynchronous transfer mode. It is called as the ATM. So what is circuit switching? So it is a network, so which is dedicated communication path, so which is established between two stations through the node of network. So that path is a connected sequence of physical links. So each link, the logical connection is dedicated to the channel, and the data is generated by the source station and transmitted along to the dedicated path. So the each node, the incoming routers or switched programs which is appropriate outgoing channel without any delay. So the common example for circuit switching is a telephone network. And next one is packet switching. So it is not necessary to dedicated transmission capacity because the path through the network which is along through the path network. So the data are sent out in a small sequence of packets. So each packet is passed through the network from node to node. To some source to destination. So the each node, the entire packet is received, it is stored briefly, then only transmitted to the next node. So here the packet switching networks are commonly used for a terminal to computer or computer to computer communications. And next one is frame relay. So the each packet switching was developed at a time when the digital long distance transmissions are highly error rate companies at in today's. So the result, there is a considerable amount of overhead, so which is built into a packet with a compensant of errors. So the modern systems are more reliable because the errors can be caught in end system, and the most overhead for error control is stripped out. And next one is asynchronous transfer mode, so which is called as the ATM, so which is developed in circuit switching and packet switching, and it can be viewed and evaluation from frame relay, and which is little overhead for error control, but the fixed packets are called as a cell, so which is the each cell length is minimum 10 Mbps to Gbps. So it is a constant data rate, so which is using some packet switching techniques. And next one is local area network. So the LAN is a communication network, so which is interconnect a variety of devices, so which provides information to exchange among some different devices. and it is used in smaller places, so like a building or small campus. So the owned which is usually owned by same organization as attached some devices. So the data rates are much higher. So now some switched systems and ATMs are being introduced. And next one is protocol, so which is used for communications between entities in the system, and it must speak the same language, and the entities are used in some user applications, email facilities, terminals, and the systems are mentioned a computer, terminal, and remote sensor. And they are using some key elements of a protocol. The first one is syntax, and second one is semantics, and third one is timing. The syntax is nothing but it is a data format, and they are mentioning some signal levels. And semantics, so it controls some informations, and it is also detect error handlings. And next one is timing, so which is matching a speed of sequence, and it control the sequencing. And next one is the assessment. So these are the reference for networking. Thank you.